Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you 12 different websites that will help you earn over $1,000 every month. If you have been looking for ways to earn money online, this video is actually meant for you. So what you need to do is to watch this video to the end. Don't try implementing anything. Watch it to the end first before you start implementing, because most of these websites does not approve people from certain locations like Nigeria. So in this video I'll be showing you what you need to do if you are from a country like Nigeria. So what you need to do is just to watch this video to the end. Don't skip any part of this video so that you will not miss out on any important information. And let me show you someone that actually made over $5,000 working on one of these websites that I'm going to show you now. Now, what you actually do in this site is just to review website, review apps, give your honest review. That's all. And you'll be paid $10 to $15 per review. And this usually takes like 10 to 15 minutes to complete. So let me show you that video now.
What is going on, guys? Here's my July user testing update. I took a total of 27 tests. I finished with a total of $340. That's an average of $12.59 per test. I'm now at $5,723 over 378 tests. And that's not even working part-time. Be patient, be consistent, and you can earn some extra cash. Peace.
Welcome back, guys. So the first website that I'm going to show you is called usertesting.com. That man you watch in that video actually made over $5,000 from this website. So let's go ahead and visit usertesting.com. So this is the website. Now what happens is that to receive payment from this website, you need to have a PayPal account. Now to get a PayPal account, all you need to do is just to visit paypal.com and then you create your PayPal account. So let me walk you through this site. So what I'm going to do is that you're going to come over here and click on start here. You click on start here. So you see here, you can see I want to evaluate user testing for my company. I want to make money online. So you can just come over here, click on get paid to test. So what you are going to do is that you just come over here, then you input your email address, then you click on get started. A form will be open for you to fill, and then you'll be given an instruction on what to do. It's very simple to do it. Very simple. It's very simple to do that. So the next website I'm going to show you is called userfill.com. userfill.com. Like I said earlier, guys, ensure you watch this video to the end before you start implementing, because if you start implementing while you're watching, you're going to miss out, because some of these websites will not approve someone from certain countries like Nigeria. So just watch the video to the end. So what you're going to do, you're going to come over here and click on start testing. So what you're going to do is that you're going to scroll down, and then you're going to click on sign up as a tester. So once you do that, you'll be asked to fill a form, and then an email will be sent to you. So the next website is testingtime.com. Testingtime.com. So guys, some of these sites doesn't really accept testers again. So what you are going to do is that you are just going to try them one after the other. So it's good to try applying in all the sites, so that if peradventure 2 or 3 of these sites accept you, then you can start working with them. So it doesn't mean that you will be approving all these sites. Some of these sites are not accepting people again for now. So just try each and every one of them. So what you are going to do, you are going to come over here and click on become a tester. Then you click on sign up now. So here is the form. All you need to do is for you to input your details here. Now this site pays over $54. Usually their test takes between 30 minutes to 90 minutes. So once you complete a test, you'll be paid $54. So just go ahead and input your details, and then you upload your profile, then you click on next, fill in the details, and then you submit. The next site I'm going to show you is called userlytics.com. So what you need to do here, you just come over here and click on get paid to test. So what you're going to do, you now input your email address here, you agree to terms of use and policy, and then a form will be displayed for you to fill in. It's as simple as that. Now guys, take note that this is not a scam. All these sites are not scam. It's something that has actually made people rich. Like the video I just showed you, that man made over $5,000 working with usertesting.com. So guys, input your email address here, you click on submit. So the next site I'm going to show you is called trymatter.com. trymatter.com. So you come over here and click on get paid to test. So you input your full name here, then the email connected to your PayPal. So before you start doing this, ensure you go ahead and create your PayPal account. That was why I told you guys to watch this video to the end before you start implementing. But once you input your PayPal email and then your password, you now create an account. It's as simple as that. This site will pay you $5 to $30 per test. You can see it here. You can see it here. Earn from $5 to $30 per test. So the next site I'm going to show you is userbrain.com. userbrain.com. And guys, if you have really learned a lot from this video, I would like you to encourage me by liking this video and subscribing to my channel. When you go ahead and subscribe to this channel, just drop in the comment section of this video I have subscribed, so I can give you a warm welcome. Thank you guys for subscribing. You come over here and click on get paid to test. So once you do that, you go ahead and input your details, your name, your email. It's as simple as that. So the next site I'm going to show you is freelance.com. Click on become a tester. Click on start earning money. So you input your email address here, you click on next, and then you input your details. It's as simple as that. So once you are approved, you'll be given some tasks to perform. So the next website I'm going to show you is testerwork.com. Now you come over here and click on become a tester, and then you input your email address, your password, you sign up. It's as simple as that. It's very, very simple to do this. So the next site I'm going to show you is called testerup.com. So if like 7 of these websites approves you, you can actually make over $2,000 every month. So you come over here and click on OK. Now if you want to sign up, you can sign up with your Google account. You click on Google account, sign up. The registration is actually free. You are going to be paid to play some games and give your honest review about those games. It's as simple as that. Look at someone who actually earned $1,200. So it's as simple as that. So the next website I'm going to show you is utest.com. I have actually worked with these people, utest.com. So I've actually worked with these people. If you look at this, I was even given an invitation. Get paid for recording short selfie videos. This is the invitation they gave me. I'm not chance to do this job right now, so I have not accepted the invitation. So I'm one of the testers in this website. So like I told you, it's not a scam. Look at my device here and my phone here. So let me actually show you how you can sign up. So what I'm just going to do, I'm going to copy this URL and then open this in an incognito window. Alright, so you see, so you just come over and click on become a U-tester. You input your details. It's as simple as that. Next location, and then that's all. In less than 24 hours, you'll be approved. So the next website I'm going to show you is called test.io. Right, so you come over here and click on become a tester. Then you input your details. You come over here and click on become a tester here. Then you can sign up with your Google account. You can also sign up with your LinkedIn account. So you can also use your email address to do that here. And just input your email address, and then you set up your password, then you create an account. It's as simple as that. Now the last website I'm going to show you is called Hello Ping Pong. freelance.com. So what you do here first is that you come over here and click on get started. You see, sign up as a tester, sign up at Hotjar. So you come over here and click on sign up as a tester. So you can sign up with your Google account, with your Microsoft account, or you can just come over here and then input your details here and then you sign up. It's as simple as that. Like I said earlier, guys, if you're in certain locations like Nigeria, you might not be approved by some of these websites. So let me show you what you need to do for you to get approved. Now, there is a VPN software called Windscribe. You come over here and click on Windscribe here. Now, this will help you change your location to either London, United States. It will help you change your location to any country of your choice. It's actually free. So what you need to do here is just to come over here and download this software into your system. Now, every month you'll be given 10 gig free. So it's as simple as that. So I have this software already. It's very simple. Just come over here and click on download. So let me show you how you access this software. And here is the software. So I've used so far 1.5 gigabytes. So I'm left with 8.5 gigabytes. So if you want to get more data, that is when you pay for it. So but this one is always enough for me in a month. So what you need to do, you can just come over here and change location, US Central, US East. So we have United Kingdom here. I like using London because even my PayPal account is UK PayPal account. So I like setting my IP address to be London. If you notice this, it means that you need to pay to access this location. So like this particular location is free. So you click on it. So once you click on it, this thing will be turned on. So you just wait until it shows green. Now you see your IP address has been changed. So if you access any site, they will feel that you are in London. Let me check my location now. So if I want to check my location, I will visit a site called what is my IP address. So let's see our location. Let's see. So if I click on this guy here, it's going to show me my location. So if you look at this now, I'm in Nigeria, but it's showing United Kingdom, London, England, United Kingdom. So this is actually free. This is actually free. So you see my location is United Kingdom here. So guys, if you want to sign up in this platform, ensure you change your IP address. So if you have really learned a lot from this video, guys, I would like you to subscribe to my channel. If you didn't subscribe to my channel, like my video. And then drop in the comment section, I have subscribed. And if you come across any difficulty while trying to implement what you have just watched in this video, go ahead and drop it in the comment section of this video and I will attend to you. Thank you guys for staying through to the end of this video. See you guys in my next video.